Yo, what's up folks? It's your boy, Eddie. Ever wonder how these kids are blown up on the internet? I got you covered. Let's break it down, marketing beast style. First up, you gotta know your formats. We got vlogs, memes, challenges, and those dance videos everyone and their grandma is doing. Find what clicks and stick to it. And by click, I mean like that weird click sound your knee makes when you get up too fast. Stay woke, people. Trends are like buses, miss one, and another's right behind. Jump on those hashtags like they're your ex's new boo. Ain't no shame in trend chasing. Pick your garden and plant your seeds. Whether it's cooking, comedy, or cat videos, find your niche and own it. Remember, you can't please everybody unless you're pizza. Everybody loves pizza. Keywords are your best friends. Think of them like seasoning, too little, and you're bland, too much, and you're overpowering. You don't want to be the internet version of unseasoned chicken. Collaboration, get in with the big dogs, and their followers might just become your followers. Plus, it's a whole lot of fun. Just don't steal their spotlight. Nobody likes a scene stealer. Make it relatable. We've all been there, late for work, stuck in traffic, or trying to get that last piece of pizza. Show the world they're not alone. Unless you're alone, then you need different advice. Ain't nobody got time for long-winded stuff. Hit 'em fast, hit 'em hard, and leave 'em wanting more. Short and sweet, people. Like a shot of espresso, you feel me. Consistency is key. It's like going to the gym, you gotta keep at it. Post regularly, and your audience will keep coming back for more. Just don't skip leg day, or post day. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread yourself across Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and even Facebook. More platforms, more eyes on you. It's like dating, play the field, people. Don't sleep on Reddit. It's the Wild West out there. And if you can make it there, you can make it anywhere. Just be ready for some honest feedback. Like, brutally honest. Like, your mama should be ashamed honest. And finally, music. The right track can turn a good video into a viral sensation. Find those beats that get people moving and grooving. Just don't be that guy with the accordion. Nobody likes that guy. So there you have it, folks. Follow these tips, and who knows? You might just be the next big thing. Now go out there and break the internet. Marketing beast style.